Welcome back to our circle geometry playlist. Today we are tackling a very important theorem. Angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. This theorem comes up a lot in exams like WAEC, JAMB, NECO, IGCSE and SAT. So make sure you follow closely. First, what does the theorem say? Angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Let us draw a circle and draw chord AB. Here is our A, here is our B. This chord divides the circle into two parts. A major segment, this portion, our major segment, and this portion, our minor segment. Now, if we pick 2 points, C and D on the circumference, let us say we pick C here and D here, and we join AC and CB. We also join AD and DB. Then the theorem says angle ACB equal to angle ADB. Angle ACB equal to angle ADB. Let us prove this angle in the same segment theorem by using angle at the center theorem. Let us draw our circle. Let us draw chord AB. AB. Let us mark our center O. Let us join OA and OB to form the center angle AOB. AOB. Now, place a point C on the circumference and draw angle ACB. Point C. ACB. Also, place another point D in the same segment and draw ADB. These are points D and draw ADB. Now, from the angle at the center theorem, we know that angle AOB equal to 2 multiplied by angle ACB. Angle AOB equal to 2 angle ACB. And also, using the same theorem, AOB is equal to 2 multiplied by angle ADB. Angle OB equal to 2 multiplied by angle ADB. Now let us substitute angle AOB equal to 2 multiplied by angle ACB in this equation. So we are going to have 2 angle ACB equal to 2 angle ADB. Divide both sides by 2 over 2 over 2. Here 1, here 1, here 1, here 1. Angle ACB equal to angle ADB. Therefore, angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. In a circle called PQ, subtend an angle of 40 degrees at a point R. What's the angle subtended at another point S in the same segment? Let us represent it diagrammatically. Let us draw a circle. Let us say our chord PQ is this. PQ. Let us say this is our point R. Let us join PR and RQ. And the angle is given to us to be 40 degrees. Also, another point X in the same segment. This is our point X. Let us join PX and XQ. And they ask us to find this angle. By using the concept of angle in the same segment theorem, we can say angle PXQ equal to angle PRQ. Angle PXQ equal to angle PRQ. Angle PXQ equal to, and angle PRQ is 40 degrees. So our angle PXQ equal to 40 degrees. Practice questions. To recap, angles in the same segment of a circle are always equal. In the next video, we'll continue with more powerful circle theorems. So don't miss it. If you find this helpful, like the video, share with friends, and subscribe so you don't miss the rest of this circle geometry playlist. Thank you.